Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felistas Toili. I make videos on food recipes, travel and lifestyle vlogs. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Today I'm going to show you one of the best places to do eyebrow threading in Nairobi CBD at cash 200 bob only. We're going to Sonalax branch along Mo Avenue Road. Threading as opposed to tweezing or waxing provides more precise shaping of eyebrows, removes short rows of hair, and is gentler on the skin. We have arrived at Sonalax branch. Once you're there, walk straight and take the right turn. You'll see an elevator. Her salon is on second floor. The name of the salon is called BANNY Waxing and her name is BANNY. So you can ask anyone and they'll direct you to which floor you should go to. When you're out of the elevator, take a right turn and walk straight and you'll see her salon. So this is the state of my eyebrows before they are threaded. As you can see, they are thick. I want them to be shaped thin and nicely. Now she's beginning to thread my eyebrows. It's going to be painful, woo, but it's worth it because the hair will be pulled at the root. should you thread your eyebrows? It's recommended between 2 to 5 weeks. Since threading removes hair from the root like waxing, it lasts just as long. How long do threaded eyebrows last? Depends on your hair type and the area of the face. Full regrowth can be anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. Hair will start to grow back sparse and finer after repeated threading because hair is pulled out at the root, which gets weakened through the process. She also does waxing. For bikini waxing, it's at 1300 Kenyan shillings, and for the armpits, it's 700 Kenyan shillings, and she does it so perfectly. So do give it out a try and comment down below on your experience. Is it better to wax or thread your eyebrows? People with sensitive skin prefer threading hair removal over waxing. Threading also allows for more precision with eyebrow shaping, especially if you're looking for a more natural final result. You can get your hair threaded by a professional at any salon of your choice. So now I'm done and she's cleaning my eyebrows. As you can see, they are nicely shaped and perfect, especially when I'll draw them while doing my makeup. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also remember to stay safe. Bye, see you on the next video.